Annyeong! Good morning, guys. So, the plan for today... Ay, teka nyo muna pala to. See the beach? That's the beach. So, the plan for today is coffee. Coffee muna, no? And then we're gonna work out. Coffee, workout, coffee ulit. Mag-delusion tayo. By the way, huge shoutout sa Sora LU kasi sila yung nag-sponsor ng trip na to. Yay! So, pagpasok mo, ito yung door. Pasok ko siya. Sheesh, wow! Wow! Ito yung closet. Siyempre, puro gamit ko lang yan din. RC. ACR. So, for my gear, guys, I'm using a Canon EOS R. Hindi ko masyado ginagamit itong RF24 ko na lens. Ang ginagamit ko is itong RF ko na 50mm. And 1.8 kasi yung aperture nito. So, super ganda ng bokeh niya and perfect siya for mga cinematic videos talaga. Problem ko lang is medyo tight siya. Especially kapag nag 4K ako. So, I mostly shot at 180p. So, kapag nag 4K ako, super tight siya. Eto. Actually, itong dalawa lang usually ginagamit ko. Kasi ito yung SD card reader ko. And kaya super bilis ko mag-edit kasi sa phone nga lang ako nag-edit. So, after ko mag-shot, kunin ko agad, transfer ko sa phone, and then edit sa CapCut. Color grade lang konti and sound design, and then tapos na. I'm using Ulanzi na MT44. Nirecommend ko rin to kay Larry Mark kasi gusto niya yung mahal na tripod. I have a tripod doon na sponsored by iFootage siya sa around 12,000. Super ganda and super solid nun. Kaso, mas maliit kasi to eh. So, mas kasya sa bag. And super gang. And di naman super bigat ng camera ko. So, I think mag-work. Kaya ito lang lagi ginagamit ko. And pwede rin to sa phone. Oh yeah. Okay. So, next, we're gonna go to a coffee shop and gym. Bye. Orange Americano. I was supposed to go for the lotte na mild coffee. Pero mali ako nalagay. Go! Kaya naman. By the way, we're here sa Billy's Coffee. Cute kasi may dalawang dogos dito. May large poodle tapos may golden retriever. They also have like, mga coffee and food. Alam niyo ito yung isa sa mga hindi ko talaga pa na napag-aaralan masyado. Yung film photography. What up? I'm currently here sa gym. Feel ko malaki tong spot na to. And sana may walk-in sila kasi please, come on. Sana may walk-in. Damn, bro. Damn, son. Damn. the shit. It's the shit. Hi, can I ask if you guys have an walk-in for the gym? 600. Hi. I'm currently 60 kg. Alam niyo ba kung ilan ako before? I was 70. And in the span of 2 or 3 months, I'm down to 60. Damn. Actually, last month pa yata ako nasa 62. So, damn. Yo, they even have like free coffee here. If ever taga LU kayo, think worth it dito mag-workout. And yung lockers. And they even have an octagon, tapos football, tapos basketball court. Damn, son! So, ito yung octagon. Siguro kay RJ mag-sparring kami mamaya. Ito, they even have like good amount of bags. See? Ah, shit. Nakakapag-workout talaga ako dito ng mga guys. Nag-calisthenics kayo pa sa dito. Gonna check it out. Kuya! I know you po. Hello po, sir. Hello. Can you say hi po sa vlog?
Hello mga Inchan, kamusta na?
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Thank you, boss. Enjoy your workout po. Enjoy po.
Alright, so I'm gonna warm up lang and then gonna work out, bro. Alright, see you. Anyong guys, so we're currently here sa Seabuds and hindi ko na gusto, ito yung famous for their smoothie bowls. Eh, masarap siya pero it's not for me. Especially yung mga banana smoothies, parang it's not for me. Pero I just shot my favorite video postcard here. And by the way, I think this is our last stop na for today. And we're gonna head home na. So again, I wanna give a huge shout out to Sora LU for sponsoring this trip. Super solid and ang ganda ng place nila. And I'm happy, ang dami kong nagawa. Super productive ko here sa LU. Ang dami kong mga bagong na-try. And parang ito yung pinaka-most dito. Ito yung punta ko sa LU na super dami kong side quest. Kasi nag-LU rin naman ako before pero ngayon yung parang this time parang gusto kong puntahan yung mga gusto ko talagang puntahan. Dati kasi parang gusto kong mag-LU to chill. Parang kabsat lang yata yung kinakainan ko before. Puro dun lang ako palagi. Pagkagising ko, kabsat. Swimming, kabsat. Hanap ng bagong another coffee shop. So balik ng kabsat. Shower, then kabsat. So, yeah.